4x4 time here at Unique, especially in classic cars. 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale K10 regular cab long box, as you can see. Now, the one thing I'll mention about the K10, this does have K20 or 3/4 ton axles on it, so you get a little idea as far as the running gear underneath it compared to the body. Powered by a 350 small block Chevy V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive. Also has power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the lift on this, you can check out the underside, the engine bay interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. There's a link there, obviously, and that is going to take you right to our website and the still pictures. Feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. Bright work bumper in the front of this. Let you get a good look at that. Very presentable. As far as the black paint, it is not like it just came out of the paint booth. So as with any black vehicle, I mean, you're going to notice a few, nicks, dings, scratches, but not terrible on this one. It definitely shows well. As you can see, it's got a nice luster. You can see the lights off the ceiling, reflection behind me, the wall. So I mean, it shows well. I mean, your local cruise-ins, local shows. Someone will turn some heads. Interior is bench seat, burgundy or kind of a deep wine colored vinyl. We'll take a look at that when we pop the door open. I'll start it up for you. You can see the truck's pretty straight too, looking up and down the sides of it. Riding on aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Left the tailgate down, not hiding anything, and check that out in the still pictures. I just wanted you to be able to see the box of it a little bit easier. Not completely all beat up like you'll see a lot of farm trucks and work trucks. Spray and bed liner. Again, presentable. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down this driver's side, and again, you can see the reflection coming off the truck, the showroom behind me. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Let's check out this interior. Again, burgundy vinyl bench seat. Wipers do work, radio works. Probably the easiest for me to reach up. I'm just going to start this and let you get a look at the interior. Does have an aftermarket stereo that was added to it. Take a good look at the top of the dash here. Aftermarket steering wheel added, tilt. Column on it. See, the seat's in nice shape. That looks like that was very recently done. Not a lot of wear to that. Sliding rear glass. Alright, let's look around the back of this. Did you hear that 350? Nice sounding truck. Edelbrock carb on that 350. I don't remember if I mentioned power steering, power brakes. I believe I did. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood pop. See, it's got headers on it. Also, right when I was popping the hood, came off of the high idle. Here's the electric choke works. And again, this 350 is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. As you can see, power brakes. Once again, power steering. There you go, 1986 Chevrolet K10. Remember, K20 axles are 3/4 ton. Some running gear underneath there, a little different. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible For an extended service contract, consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.